Hello students. Chapter 13, A Boy's Song. Today I am going to start your 13th chapter, A Boy's Song. It's a poem. This poem is taken from your rainbow textbook. Okay. Students, this poem is composed by Wilfred Wilson Gibson. Okay. This poem is composed by Wilfred Wilson Gibson. Students, brief introduction of poet. Wilfred Wilson was born at Exham in England in 1878. Student, he was a good friend of the famous poet Rupert Brooke. Students, the poem Boy's Song appeared in his first verse called Mountain Cover. This poem is taken from his first verse, Mountain Cover, brought out in 1902. Gibson died in 1962. Gibson died in 1962. Students, this poem is related to words freedom. This poem is related to words freedom. The poem is about nature's precious gift of freedom to all inhabitants. In this poem, the poet tells about the words freedom. In this world, everybody wants to live in freedom. Every being wants to live in freedom. So students, come on the poem. Look students. Because I set no snare, but leave them flying free. All the words of the air belong to me. Because I. Students, here I is used for poet set no snare. Snare means trap. But leave them flying free. Them means words. Okay? Flying free. All the words of the air belong to me. Air means sky. Belong means related. Okay, students, this stanza, poet talks about words freedom. Because I set no snare. Here the poet tells that he does not set no trap. He does not set trap for the words, but leave them flying free. He leaves the words flying free. All the words of the air belongs to me. Here the poet tells that all the words of sky belongs to the poet, belongs to him. All the words of the air belongs to him. Students, why all the words belong to the poet? Because he does not set trap for the words, but leave them flying free. He leaves the words flying freely in the sky. That's why all words belong to the poet. Okay. Next stanza. From the blue tit on the sloe to the eagle on the height, uncaged they come and go for my delight. Students, blue tit is a small common word. Blue tit is a small common word on the sloe. Sloe means a small bluish black वाइल्ड प्लम. जो एक ब्लैक वाइल्ड प्लम होता है ना, ब्लू एंड ब्लैक, उसकी जो झाड़ी होती है, बुशेस, थर्नी बुशेस, उस पर बैठती है, जिसे ब्लूटिड बोलते हैं. उस पर बैठने वाली जो चिड़िया होती है उस पर ब्लूटिड बोलते हैं. अ स्मॉल कॉमन वर्ड. अ स्मॉल कॉमन वर्ड विच सिट ऑन द स्लो टू द ईगल ऑन द हाइट. ईगल to the eagle on the height. Eagle which fly high in the sky. Okay, students. Here, students, poet gives two words example. One is blue tit, small word, and another is eagle, used word. Small word which sits on the slow, and the another used word eagle which fly high in the sky. Here, poet wants to tell that everyone like to live in freedom, even small and huge. Okay, everyone wants to live in freedom, even blue-tit and eagle. Okay, uncaged they come and go. Here, poet says that uncaged they come and go. They means blue-tit and the eagle both are uncaged, both are set free. They come and go anytime. They come and go anytime for my delight, for poet's delight. For his delight, they come and go anytime. They means blue-tit and eagle come and go anytime because they are set free and they fly in the sky in freely. They fly in the sky freely because they are set free. Blue-tit and the eagle, they are set free. And they come and go anytime for poet's delight. Okay, students, so we will continue next stanza in next video.